What is good, gentlemen? YouTube, man? It's your boy. Y'all read by the title and the thumbnail, bro. I'm gonna be giving y'all the sauce because I've been out. You feel me? I've been out surveying, trying all these, just coming back with the results. You feel me? Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me your thoughts in the comments. You feel me?
Those who do not know pain will never understand true peace. This world shall know pain. Almighty puss.
Let's just get straight into this. On God, on game. Yeah. First thing, number one, you feel me, on the list is don't. The whole statement is wrong, bro. You cannot get your crush to like you. You could, but that's way too much effort. Said don't. The whole statement is wrong, bro. Why are you trying to get your crush to like you? Like, it sounds wrong. That's some low vibrations, and man, we high class niggas, man. We can't be doing that, okay, bro? Like, hey, we've minds that, right? Number one, don't. Two, work on yourself, bro. You've heard this too many times, bro, and I'm gonna repeat it again and again and again, bro. Work on yourself, chase your dreams. I'm talking from experience, bro. Like, I was like y'all, you feel me? I was watching these, I don't know how to get your crush, how to get a girl. But the only thing I was lacking, every time I watched these videos and, you know, I really genuinely tried to like do whatever they said, it always came back to work on yourself first. And it's something that I've seen. I have been in a relationship, all of these, you know, LSK vibes, etc. That's the second thing. Work on yourself, bro. Chase your dreams as you should, bro. This is nothing we shouldn't even. And this is the other thing about girls, bro. This is you. This is a girl. This is you chasing her. What is she finna do? She finna run the fuck away. Cause like, you can't chase someone and they finna chase you too. Someone has to do the chasing. If you wanna be the one chasing, my brother, hey, you can do that. But for all the other kings, you feel me, the ones who know what's up, what's good, what going, bro, we're finna chase our goals and the females finna follow. You feel me? It's like with chasing your dreams and your goals and your aspirations, bro. It's just, it's something in your head that just switches, bro. It's like you start moving different. I'm not saying start chasing your dreams to get girls. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying work on yourself, work hard, chase your dreams, bro. And you finna make it. You finna make it big, you feel me? Number three, dress well. Now you finna, oh, hey, bro, we don't have money. We have no money. I'm not talking about that, okay? I don't even have money too. You feel me? We're in the same level. We're in the same league, bro. I ain't got money too. But hey, dress well. It doesn't take that much to dress well, bro. You don't have to wear branded shit. Just look clean. Dress well, okay? Dressing, there's a difference between dressing, dripping out, and dressing well, okay? So they're like this, okay? Dripping out is you wearing Gucci, what, you feel me, blissing. But like dressing well, dressing clean is you just in a tee, a clean white tee, you feel me, some black plain jeans, you feel me, and an Air Force. That's the bare minimum, you feel me. The other thing is, you gotta smell good, bro. For you to attract anything, you have to smell good. Unless you're trying to attract flies, you feel me? Smell however you want. And not wearing a scent, bro, is unreal. I've been seeing y'all out here talking about, nah, I don't smell like anything. What? That whole statement sounds wrong, bro. You smell like something. Bro, buy yourself a cologne, buy yourself a spray, you feel me? Dress well, smell good, bare minimum. Okay, this is the most vital, if not the most important, is work on your skin, okay? Develop a skincare routine. And you're finna look at me like, nigga, what are you from, the States? Guys, waking up, washing your face is, bro, you just have to do these things, bro. Skincare routine. You're probably looking at me like, yeah, this nigga gay. Bro, I'm telling y'all from experience, bro. Like, y'all look at my face, bro. Like, this shit right here is, you know, I ate something I wasn't supposed to eat, but I could have avoided all this shit if I wasn't just putting like Vaseline on my face. You feel me? Like, guys, you need to develop a skincare routine, bro. Buy these products for your skin. It ain't gonna be that hard, bro. Damn, it's hot in this car. You feel me? Hey, a nigga sweating in this hoodie. I'm talking about you actually getting, you know, a scrub for your face, you know, a moisturizer. It sounds expensive, but hey, if you want to put in the extra work, it's finna show. You feel me? It's finna, you feel me? Take my word for it. Just develop a skincare routine, use it for a month. You're finna come back to me and be like, damn, nigga, if you've come this far in this video, man, I want you to just give me a thumbs up. I love y'all. See y'all in the next movie. On gang, on God, we're finna run it up to 1K by the end of this year. On gang, on God. It's your boy, Tony Rye, you feel me? Nah, man, I really love filming, bro. I really love talking my shit, you feel me? But I'm gone.